If your Buick Encore's Apple CarPlay is refusing to connect, don't head to the dealership just yet. Statistically, over 80% of connection issues are solved simply by swapping out your USB cable. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music back on the screen. Start with these quick resets to clear any temporary software glitches in the Buick IntelliLink system. Often, the issue is a hidden setting on your iPhone like Siri being disabled or screen time restrictions. Physical obstructions like pocket lint in your charging port can prevent a stable data connection. Newer Encores support wireless CarPlay, but if yours is wired, the cable quality is your primary suspect. As you can see, a simple cable replacement solves the vast majority of Buick connection complaints. If it still fails, tell your iPhone to forget the car and start the pairing process from scratch. Keep an official Apple cable and some compressed air handy for quick maintenance. Keeping your software updated is the best way to prevent these bugs from coming back. Now that your maps are back up, enjoy the ride and hit subscribe for more Encore troubleshooting.